So on this Jeep Cherokee from 2000 that we call the Cherokant, I just fixed the four-wheel drive linkage. And what better way to test that than driving it straight up a hill into the woods? This lift is not at all made for trails. This trail is not at all made for this Jeep. So it's perfect to test the four-wheel drive on this vehicle. And without moving a single tree that's in the way, we're just gonna send it up the hill. And if I get stuck, then we'll just leave the Jeep there and I'll end up buying another car. But long story short, this is a test because we need to see if this four-wheel drive works so that we don't get stuck in the mud later. And this hill honestly will be a good comparison. So I'm gonna hop in the Jeep and try to drive up the hill. Going swimmingly. Uh-oh. You wanna move this little thing? Oh, that didn't sound good. I can't believe we made it this far. I'm dead, dude. I can't believe we made it this far. Dude, this thing's an off-roading machine. This thing kills it. What a Jeep. And I went so far only so far on purpose because he's about to overheat. No, I'm just kidding. But hey, it did pretty good. Finesse those trees. Now I gotta figure out how to get back down. Good job, Jeep. It's the first time I've ever been proud of you. Hopefully my neighbors didn't notice that I just went up into the wilderness. This is awesome. All right, let's get out of here before we get eaten by the coyotes. Look how close I am. I can barely stick my finger through here. Hey, I think the four-wheel drive works. The brakes work even better. Dude, it's as good as new. That's how you test the 4-wheel drive on a Jeep. Even the birds think it's brutal. No, it did all right. It did all right. Definitely did not take it with ease, but what I do love is it's like this car's a box. So when you look at any corner of the car, whether it be the front corner or the back side, wherever you can see up until is pretty much the end of the car. So like I knew that I was close to a tree, but I also knew that the bumper sticks out an inch. So I really have pretty good clearance when I'm turning and stuff, but I now understand why people take these off-road is what I'm getting at. Decent, really decent. And if you soup it up and have a lot of money, which I don't have, then it could be something cool. But this can't, and that's why we named it the Cherokant. That's gonna be all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. This is absolutely barnacles, but you know, we needed to test the 4-wheel drive, and that's what you do. So be sure to check out more about this 2000 Jeep Cherokee on our channel, and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. We'll be pushing this to the limits. You just wait. We'll see you next time.